personally, I was asking myself, is this a second run again for them? You know, we just agreed that we know we could match up well with UST, but due to a lot of things and a lot of factors, we are not able to finish some of the games that we needed to win in the first round. We needed some maturity, and I think we were able to get that a little bit. I think that the key there is those scoring from the bench. You know, and what a way for Arvin to get out of his slump, and he knows, and I can see in his eyes that he was really confident earlier on into making those shots, and we're hoping that everybody else can continue, including Aaron and all the others. You know, Bon and Keeper are their usual selves, and that's had always been the key for us.
Arvin, ano masabi mo na ito yung best game mo ng season?
Masaya po, masaya dahil last last round yung di ba talo kami sa UST, laki rin ng lamang namin nun. So yun lang. Coming to this game, ang nasa isip ko lang naman is to defend. Wala talaga sa isip ko na may score kasi offense, sinasabi lang sa nila coach na set your screens, rebound the ball, defend Kevin Ferrer yun. And masaya naman ako dahil at least nakapag-contribute na ako sa offense.
How about you, boy? What your game today?
Well, I think this game was a character-driven game for us. Twice in the past, we had big leads against USD and against LaSalle, and we lost them in the fourth quarter and the second half. So I just want to commend Coach Bo, especially because during the timeout, he would always remind everybody to stay composed, keep our discipline in, and be supposed to have direction in what we do. So I think that's a big part of why we won today.
Coach Bo, congratulations. When you talk about the defense, it's mostly known for his offense. People should like defense against
Well, yan naman laging discussion namin with him. There's no question in my mind that he really can play. You know, if he can have the right attitude as far as defense is concerned. Kasi lagi ko naman sabi ko, pag may bola, tulin-tulin ni Arvin. Pag walang bola, mabagal. Ngayon, kahit walang bola si Kevin, he was able to deny him the ball. And proof of that, malaking bagay yung 1 of 11 ni Kevin sa field, no? Malaking bagay talaga na yung main scorer nila hindi naka-score against us, including Karim. And I think we played the heads-up defense, and it's not reflected on the score and the field goal percentage, but I think that there were a lot of times that they were having a run, and we were able to make the necessary stops.
Has been controversial, so to speak. So, ano yung focus ng mga players?
Paano ba? Talagang part siya eh. No? Hindi naman nawawala yun sa isip nila what happened with John, but we all know na napag-usapan na naman lahat yun. You know, much has been said about that incident, and we all know, and he knows the repercussion for that. And ano ba? Take mo yun?
John.
Para hindi sa kapantaduhan ni Jan. Kalukuhan ni Jan. Para sa kaganda ng loob ni Jan. Because we don't, alam naman ni Jan na mali yung ginawa niya, pero as his teammates, nandun kami for him. We want him to be better. Okay.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Dati sabi mo mas gusto mo may percentage of offense. Ngayon, tumutok na sa RB.
Well, Oh, it's still Kiefer centric in a sense that Kiefer would always, if you notice how UST is defending him, he gets the double teaming. No, so if he has the ball and he is being double teamed, it's just logical for Vaughn to get open, for Arvin to get open. So that's actually the key there. We give him the ball, let him suck in the defense, and let him pass the ball. That would be the key. And I think he is a willing passer. He's a willing passer.
What's your thoughts on the next game?
Oh, that's you know, even if NU is not their usual self, no, I think that alam mo, nakakatakot minsan yung ganun eh, even yung kanina tinitingnan mo how they are capable of getting back and all. We will be preparing for that game because that would honor what we do today. We winning against them, matching up with them, that would give value to what we did today.
Coach, kapilok lang si Keeper, di ba? Natapilok lang si Keeper.
That's what we need to find out. I hope. And then nakalaro naman ulit eh, so probably.
Guys, before I just want to give a shout out to the bench. This whole game, they bailed us out, the starters, because they played so well, and we this whole week we were telling them to step up during games. Then we opened and give the credit where it's due. The bench really stepped up.
Bon, inspired ka ba talaga today?
Uwi na tayo.